came pretty close though. You can see the edge is right there. Mr. Goose he came from all the way down there by that bush down there. Uh-oh. I don't see my doggies no more. I lost my doggies. What do you think, Jerry? Is she gonna make it? I think she is. How many days do you think it's gonna be? We're gonna have to look that up. You wanna stay out here with her? Should I just put you in the nest? You think she'll hatch you? Hi, Mr. Goose. Everybody in the shop. Mr. and Mrs. Goose. And Jerry.